everyone, and welcome to another installment of the Perth Mint's unboxing series. Today we have a super exciting coin for you. This is our Jingle Bell Christmas coin of 2022. As you can see, this coin is packaged in a gorgeous illustrated gift box covered in gold foiling and wrapped up with a white ribbon, just like a present under the Christmas tree. As you can see, this coin is packaged in a classic presentation case with a clear perspex lid. And if we open that up, you can see the certificate of authenticity, which also details your unique number in the mintage. For this coin, it's between 1 and 2,500. If we take a closer look at the coin, you can see that this has an antiqued finish. Struck from 2 ounces of 99.99% pure silver, it's also set to resemble a Christmas wreath with gorgeous decorations of candy canes, Christmas baubles and Christmas berries around the outside of the coin. For extra festive fun, it's also got an innovative 24 karat gold insert of a little jingle bell that tinkles just like Santa's sleigh bells. Get in quick to avoid missing out on this one at the Perth Mint shop or order online.